And we're back. Oh, train's really not picking up speed.
I saw it, I'm like, I just oddball thing.
But that, I mean, that was just like a second or two.
Yes.
And we're back to smooth sailing.
Yes, we are.
I want to own that field right there.
That field right there. Oh, excuse me. Yes, well. I'm not sure if Joey and Lindy will forgive me for coughing on camera. And yes, Heather, I do still have the handbasket and my one-way ticket to hell. I'm just not going to use it yet. And also very funny. And, oh, Marcus did say hi. Hello. And he really wishes he could have came on the train with us, but he really wanted to get all this extra stuff from the yard sale today.
Yeah, the entire back end of the truck was full.
Yes, it was. And not just full of walkers. Full of all kinds of fun things. Including what I got saved for little Joseph. Which I know you're not coming down here this summer. But I'll send it up to New York whenever I can. Along with this camera footage to either Mommy or Heather's email. Yes, they do. Still nice though.
Yeah. Some of them face this way, some of them face this way, some of them face this way.
Massive.
This will probably be our last little train trip for at least a little while. We will see what happens. I may have another video for you later on, but also maybe not, but we'll see. In about 3 or 4 minutes, I'm going to head up to the train shop and get the last clip done. And that'll be the last thing I filmed today. And either we're going to end up falling asleep or not.
I'm doing my best to keep my eyes open, because I know if I ever shut them for a minute, that'll be the end of it.
Yes. Me and Mimi are tired. It was a long day.
Marcus was tired too, but he never will admit it.
No, he will not.
I want a conductor's hat and a coffee mug.
Alright. I'll go up there in about 2 minutes and go get that for you.
I would prefer to have a coffee mug with an old train on it, but I want a bigger one. You know, some of them are little. I want a bigger one.
Alrighty. I'll see what they have available.
And then the engineer's hat, I think they're adjustable.
Yeah.
I saw a little kid that had one on, and of course his was as tight as you could get it.
Yes. Which I hope Joey still does like what I got him last time I went on a train trip. The little engineer hat, little toys, magnets, those playing cards. I hope he still has them somewhere.
He probably does if they got trains on it.
Yes. He's probably got them in his room. And it's so sad that you won't be able to come down here this summer. But I do understand. The trip down here. The trip down here cost Mom and Heather about $2,000. That right? Yeah, $2,000. So I don't want them to go through that again. Sorry, we just saw something funny.
Oh. And I'll take that field and buy a canoe, and then we can canoe down the creek.
Yes, that would be fun. I don't know why people are getting these really expensive boats that you could just steer on your own. You could just,
You can get a well-made, nice canoe for less than $400.
and you don't have to pay for gasoline on it.
That's right. Just make sure you got 2 paddles.
Yes. And that's a lot more fun. But we don't necessarily have a creek, so we can't really go doing that.
I'll take that house. I like that.
Oh, I like it too. It's nice. Alright, I'm going to start heading up to the train shop now. I'll start recording again in a little bit. Say goodbye.
Bye, Joseph.
And I'll say my goodbye once I'm done in the train show.